Good morning, beautiful world. Today I'm gonna go for a short ride on this amazing Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 2023 model. It's 1.9cc super monster. And the reason I'm going for this short ride because I want to see. I just installed my new chin mount on this helmet and my DJI Osmo Action 6, and it's connected to my DJI mini mics. So I'm trying my audio, see how it works, how it sounds. I did that on GS, it's pretty good. Obviously Harley-Davidson a bit louder than the GS, so we'll see how it goes. But I don't think we're gonna have a problem with that because DJI is an amazing product. It's amazing. I'm not sponsored by them, but I just love it. Initially I wanted to get an Insta action camera because I have an Insta360 X5 which I really love. So, but I have a DJI drone, Air 2 drone. So I said, well, if I have the DJI drone, let me get the action and audio system on DJI. So it's all good. Nobody gets sad because I stick with only one Insta360. So we are about 5-6 kilometers from the city of Cluj-Napoca, right up the hill. So that's north of the city, and look at this view. That's where the whole beauty starts. Amazing. So if you go on this country roads, you go a full day of riding just like this. And it gets even better if you go more further towards Alba County, and it's more mountains and incredible views if you like that kind of riding. So to be honest with you, I like more to go up the hills and twists and all that than go on the flat. But now, depend the bike you have, depend the riding you like. It's absolutely beautiful. Amazing. I'll stop here in a couple of minutes, and someone asked me to show the Harley-Davidson. They want to see this Fat Boy 2023 model, so I'll stop and I'll just make a video look around the bike. So this is Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 2023 model. It's all chrome. Absolutely love this bike. It's very smooth. You know, I love the tires, and especially the fat tire in the back. Crazy beautiful. I'm using this Insta360 X5 right now without mic. It's just the camera. But anyway, so it's 1.9, and everything is stock. I didn't change anything on it yet. I love the sound of it, so I probably keep it this way for a while, and then we'll see later on or in the next while. So let me just start it, see how it sounds. All right. That's my bike, one of my bikes. Okay, so we'll get going. So, on the road again. I hope you like the bike. Well, what's more important is no matter what bike you have, as long as you enjoy riding. And especially at my age, as I said, I'm 59. September I'll be 60. You know, I like comfort like this Harley. You know, I like more adventure sporty like a GS. I love naked bikes also. We'll see. What matters to keep in shape, you know, keep your body in shape and to be able to ride freely and no worries. That's what it matters, and also be happy. The rest doesn't really mean anything. So looks like we're gonna have rain today, maybe later on. So I'm gonna head back to my place and check out the system sounds like on a Harley. So we'll see what's gonna happen this weekend. If it's a nice weather, we're gonna go up the mountains again, hopefully. Here in Cluj-Napoca and around, it shows like rain all the way to Friday. So we had some rain yesterday, but wasn't that bad. So we'll see. Oh man, it started raining already. I said it's gonna rain later on. Well, I think it's my first rain on this Osmo. That's not bad. Okay, that's good. So it looks like we're gonna have everything today. A bit of a sun, wind, and now a bit of a rain. I don't think it's gonna rain bad now, as we are riding away from the rain, so we leave the rain behind us. So looks like I'm escaping the rain, hopefully, and just have to go across this hill and I'm back in the city. It's over the bridge. It's traffic. This guy is nice. He lets me pass. Really. Thanks God you still find nice people on the street, so people will have hope. Oh. Traffic on Thursday. At least up the hill here is not raining, so all good. So you can see part of the city there. anyway, I'm gonna end up this short ride here. Hopefully, as I said, you like my Harley-Davidson, and you're gonna see more of it. I'm gonna ride it a lot. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow as we try to share our story with all of you guys. Also, the lifestyle we're trying to have at this age, and you know, fitness and food and traveling and all that good stuff, as much as we can actually. Hopefully we're gonna keep it healthy, happy, and keep riding. See you guys.